Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran. So today I'll be sharing with you the cheapest moisturizer that I have tried till date. This is around rupees 100 something and was first introduced by my dermatologist when I was having a dry skin condition during winter season. Although this is one of the cheapest moisturizer that I have tried till date, but still this has some very good promising ingredient which you will not find commonly in many other high-end brands. So yeah, without further time, let's get started. So now let's talk about the ingredient. The first ingredient they have mentioned is the Pentavitin, but it is actually purified water. And then they have used Pentavitin. Pentavitin is a good moisturizer, that is, it has the ability to hold the moisture into skin for a longer duration. Then there is a mineral oil. Mineral oil is known to seal and trap the water and moisture content into the skin so that the skin is hydrated for longer duration, and it forms the film so that there is no water loss from the skin, and that's how it ensures there is long duration hydration and moisturization into the skin. And then they have used isopropyl myristate, which is an emollient that is soften the skin cell edges and is high on comedogenic rating. But comedogenic rating are not 100% reliable because the models and the methods that are used to determine the rating are not 100% accurate. I will share the link below and you can read more about how these ratings are done and how they are not that flawless as it seems to be. So yeah, the next they have used is shea butter, olive oil, cocoa butter, which act as an occlusive, that is, they seal the moisture to the skin. So the purpose of this cream is to hydrate the skin and seal the moisture. It is highly for the people who have severe moisture loss or who are living in a climate that is very dry, that is very cold, or people who have very dry skin and not able to hold the moisture for a longer duration. I would highly recommend this moisturizer to those people. Although this ingredient list seems that they have heavy emollient and occlusive, but when you actually apply this cream, you will feel it is very lightweight. It has this watery consistency. Like after you apply this, you can feel that the major base they have used is the water, and that is what I love most about this cream. The thing that I do not love about this cream is the presence of fragrance. The fragrance is not just fragrance, it is too strong fragrance, and that is what I do not love about this cream. But for the price given, I think this does its job and is very good for people with dry skin or living in cold weather condition. So yeah, I would highly recommend this to those. But if you have sensitive skin and have issue with fragrance, then I would not recommend this product to you because this has again a very strong fragrance. So guys, my final view on this moisturizer is that if you are not that sensitive to fragrance and if we consider the price, this moisturizer does its job very well. It keeps the skin moisturized for longer duration. In spite of the fact it has lot of emollients and occlusives, it is water based, feels light on the skin, and most importantly, it has not caused any breakout or any acne issues onto my skin. So yeah, this is something that you can try. Yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, you enjoy my channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to watch more such videos. Okay, bye.